This is a revision for semester 1 exam in science for next week. Question 1. Indicate the true statement and correct the false one. Remember, the only thing about this is when it's false, you have to write all the statement again. If you don't do this with test, you won't get any point on it. When it's true, just write true. Remember this, okay? But first statement, Ali Ra, can you read please A? The cell.
The cell wall is present in the animal cell.
True or false?
False.
How do we correct it, Ali?
With cross present.
Yes.
And put
Absence.
absent.
So how it becomes? Can you read all the statement again now?
The cell wall is absent in the animal cell.
Very good. How can we correct it in another way, Alinda?
The cell wall is present in the plant cell.
In the plant cell. Very good. Okay. So we can correct it in two ways. I chose this. False. The cell wall is present in the plant cell. So this is what we do. We write all the statement again. I want to remind you about this with test. You have to know this on your own. Second statement, Allah, can you read it please?
The chloroplast is absent in the root cells.
True or false? How we correct it? True. So it's true. So it's true. The root cells are non-green. Okay? Like I told you before, anything in the plant that has green color, it has chloroplasts. Remember the chloroplasts that do photosynthesis for the plant cell? Polychloroplasts, they have green color. Roots don't have a green color, so they don't have chloroplast. So this statement is true. Okay? Fine. C, Rama.
Transpiration is the loss of water from the roots. True.
True. So transpiration is the loss of water from the roots. Tala, do you agree with her? Is it true or false? False. How do we correct it? Wait, Rama. شو تعالى؟ Transpiration. لا transpiration.
Transpiration is the loss of water from the leaves.
From the leaves. Okay, Rama, like you said. So it's not roots, it's we have to say leaves. Yeah, false. Transpiration is the loss of water from the leaves. So this is how we solve yes, true or false question. Yes, any question about it, Abbas? You have a question?
No.
Okay, fine. Next. Okay. So part A, number the stage of sexual reproduction and the above figures. Okay, we did. This is stage 1. This is stage 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Part B. Use the figure in the previous page to tell the story of its fertilization. Okay. Karen, it's your turn now. Can you read it, please?
The pollen tube winds its way down the blank until it reaches the blank.
The pollen tube, the fertilization tube, finds its way down it moves inside what, Karen?
The ovary.
No, not the ovary. It should reach the ovary, but it moves through which part, Karen?
Stigma.
No. Hamad?
Style.
Style. It moves through the style. This long tube is called the style. So the first word is style.
Until it reaches the ovary.
Okay. Until it reaches the ovary, Karen. The ovule and the ovaries. Okay. And the ovary. Odai. Fertilization. In which part? Ovary, style, stigma, which part? In the ovary. Continue, Odai. It is the union.
It is the union of the
union between what and what? Who can help us? Allah? When we have fertilization, it's the union or combination by which cells? Name the two cells that combine during fertilization. Ovule and what? sperm cell. Okay? The union of the ovule and sperm cell. Right, I arrived. Can you read please?
After transformation, which part of the flower falls out?
Okay, after we have fertilization and transformation and changing to fruit, which part of the flower fall down? Tala? Petals. Okay. Calyx, which are the group of sepals. Corolla, which are the group of petals, with stamens also fall down. Okay, it's written in your book. The calyx, which are the group of sepals. Corolla, petals with stamens. Okay, whose turn now? Linda, E.
Name one plant that has complete flowers.
We have many examples. Can you give an example of a plant that has a complete flower? Linda, what do you mean by complete flower?
Like it has the male and female parts.
Very good. Can you give an example of a flower that is complete?
Apple.
Okay, apple tree. Very good. Okay. I wrote here an example of an orange tree. Question 3. The document below shows the two examples of plant reproduction. So we have the two figures showing examples of plant reproduction. Who's turn now? Tala? Tala. Name the organs of potato and geranium plant that gave new plants. So, the first picture you have the geranium plant, the second picture you have the potato plant. Let's start with the geranium plant. Which part is being planted? Is it the stem, root, or leaf? The root. You see in the figure, which part is being planted?
Leaves.
No.
Stem
Stem is being planted, okay? It's the stem. Right. Tala, potato. No, not root. Stem, also the stem. In both examples, geranium and potato, we are planting the stem, okay? The stem is being planted. Second question, Rama. What is the type of reproduction in each case? Is it sexual reproduction or vegetative reproduction? Vegetative reproduction. This is the like 3 million times. How much size we have said it? How many times? So 3 million times vegetative reproduction.
Yes.
3 millions. So 3 millions and 1 today we said vegetative reproduction. Okay. Fine. The stem is the organ of the potato and the geranium plant that gave a new plant. This type of reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. Indicate in which flower or flowers fertilization might occur. Just fire answer. Bill A, do we have fertilization as Sajid?
No.
Why no?
Because there is no pollen grain.
But we have pollens from the stamens and we have a pistil. So can we have fertilization in A?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Bill B, it doesn't have stamens, but we transfer the pollen from A to B. Can we have fertilization in B as Sajid?
No.
No. Why no?
Because there is no pollen grain.
But I transferred the pollen from A to B. Can we have fertilization?
Yes.
Yes, we can. The seed doesn't have stamens. Can we have fertilization?
No.
No. So what Sajid said is true. Fertilization can occur only in A and B since we have pistil and pollen. That's the seed. There's no stamens, there's no pollens, fertilization cannot occur, and it's covered with a plastic bag. So it's impossible for the pollen to come from outside. Even if the wind or the bee can carry the pollen, it's already covered with a plastic bag. The bee or the wind cannot reach the pistil to have fertilization. Clear for everyone?
Yes.
Here answer. Fertilization might occur in flowers A and B since in both flowers we might have the meeting between the pollen grains and the stigma of the pistil. That's why we could have fertilization. Explain why fertilization cannot take place in the other flower or flowers. هلا we finish from Sajid. Hamad, why in flower C we cannot have fertilization?
Because it do not have
We don't have what? We don't have what? Hamad?
this is because we do not have the stamens.
Stamens. We don't have pollen grains, we don't have stamens. We already explained this. Okay? Yeah. Fertilization cannot occur in flower seeds since there is no male part stamen and is covered by a gauze, which is a plastic bag, which prevents the pollen grains from another flower to reach it. Question 5. Who's turn now? Karen, can you read please?
The experiment below is function of the type of the conducting vessel of the plant. We place a green plant and
Eosine.
Eosine solution that is red in color.
Can you read what's written on the figure please?
Leaves, red color veins,
Shoot, yes.
sand, crater, Eosine solution.
Right, which is red in color. The question is, Karen, what do we notice after a few days?
After 2 days, the leaves will become red.
Thank you. So this is what we have. It's not an acquired knowledge. But look at the figure Ya Ali Ra and you see that the leaves are red in color. Okay? Type Oday. Name the conducting vessel that transported the eosine solution. Is it xylem or phloem?
Red color veins.
Just answer. Is it xylem or phloem? Xylem. Okay? Now, Linda, why it is xylem? Why not phloem? If it's xylem, if you want to say phloem, I don't mind. But if it's xylem, why did we say the xylem vessel transported the eosine plus water to the leaves? Why is it the xylem? Very good. This is why we are transporting the eosine solution from the beaker up to the leaves. So it must be the xylem. It's not the phloem vessel. Here on this experiment, this is what we discussed before in the book. When we put a colored solution and the leaf of the flower becomes colored, then the xylem vessel is transporting this colored liquid to the leaves or to the flowers because it's moving upward. Okay? Yeah, this is the answer of the xylem vessel. We didn't say explain, but if we said explain your answer, like we said, because the eosine solution is being transported upward of the xylem vessel to reach the leaves. Yes, Linda?
But also the phloem goes up, but it goes